To begin using the tool, click the Start button. Select the option that best describes your project. The tool will present you with a number of choices, from weather barrier types to penetration types, flashing options, and window styles. Select all that apply to your project. Based on the information you supply, the tool will compile a project guide in PDF format. Click to download your guide. Give your guide a custom name and click the button. To finalize your download, provide your email address. Review your PDF with step-by-step installation instructions, warranty information, and more. The tool also provides contact information for your local DuPont Tyvek specialist. The DuPont Smart Guide is also optimized for use on your mobile device. Plan better, build smarter.